sinunod nila ang lahat ng batas. Mano ba namang magsabi, given our expertise and 62 years of experience in handling government funds, we will help review the laws, particularly on anti-money laundering and especially if they involve government contractors. Your commitment to the highest standards, itong statement nila, to the highest standards of integrity, regulatory compliance, and public trust demands this. Otherwise, yung deklarasyon ay empty. Ika nga. It is not enough to do bad. It is not enough to not do bad, rather, but we must not stand idly by while bad is happening or while bad is already being exposed to everyone. Pakiusap po ito. Please land back. Let us do better